Namaste everyone, I am Ramyashri. Welcome to my channel Ramya Jyotish. So it's around 9 a.m. now, and when I'm making this video for Shubh Muhurat trading with just around 4-5 hours left for the Shubh Muhurat trading, I would like to express caution as well as a kind of chetamni or vigilance also, or whatever you want to take it, that don't take any kind of long position in the market right now, no matter whichever sector it is, because on 10th of November the Karaka for stock markets, Mercury Buddha, will turn Vakri. On 11th of November the planet of auspiciousness, who is exalted now, will turn Vakri on 11th of November. So it can cause some delay, or the protection may not be to that great level, and Rahu is currently unregulated in the 11th house. So before Jupiter was casting his aspect, but now he is not casting his aspect. So that's why I would suggest not to take any long position until December 5th or December 6th. After that you can actually go for it, or it's better to start from January itself. So any kind of automobile sector can actually perform really well, because Mangal is in a very good position in Scorpio sign. On 27th he will be moving to Scorpio sign. So once Mangal moves to Scorpio, thereafter the automobile sector may perform well, and it can give some amount of boost to metal sector also. But because Shanidev is in 12th house, it can incur a big losses also for metal sector. So that's why even on metal I have a neutral outlook. For automobile I am a bit positive, because Mangal will get exalted in the month of end of Jan and then in Feb also. So Scorpio से like Mangal की journey जो है, it will be more positive, because it's Scorpio is its own sign, Vrishchik Rashi, then Dhanu Rashi is friendly sign, and there he is Ucha Bilashi, then Makar Rashi is where he is exalted. So for the next 5-6 months I see a very good better prospects for automobile sector. So automobile sector is something a safer one, or which won't get affected to that extent, is what I would say. But again, because Mercury, the main Karaka of stock markets, will become Vakri when he is in Vrishchik Rashi. So, and that too when he is with Mangal only to a very close degree. That's on 10th of November, and that's why I would say it may go down for a day or two and then again come back once Mercury moves out of Vrishchik Rashi in the month of November. So now currently during Diwali Muhurat trading, please try to avoid taking any kind of long position. So this was my advice. And next, coming to banking sector, Jupiter is exalted, it will give good returns, so you can keep on buying it for the next 2-3 months, is what I would say, because after March is when banking stocks will start to grow very well. And yes, from next year March 2026 to November 2026, Jupiter's exaltation or Jupiter's pretty good position will give very good rise to banking sector. So for the next 3-4 months you can keep on buying, even if it also goes little bit down, or it also will, if it has little bit of corrections, because it may have, because when the planet turns Vakri, the results will increase for Shubha Graha, but the results will be delayed. So that's why it may get delayed by 6 or 7 months, but results you will get for sure by the end. So if you have a long term vision on banking stocks, then definitely buy that, but you have to hold it at least for 1 year. So you can keep on buying it. So even if it falls, you can stock average and you can keep on buying it. So this was from banking sector. For metal sector, because now Guru's aspect is falling on Shanidev, I am pretty positive for metal and mine for the next 1 or 2 weeks. But after November 1st week, that is around 10th or 11th onwards, I don't see that great graph for metals or mine sector. So I am having kind of a neutral outlook on that also. So please, that's why I'm telling, please avoid taking any long position in this, because Shanidev, once Guru comes back to Mithun Rashi, then cast his direct aspect, it will be pretty late. And December is something we are expecting some unprecedented events also in the world, especially in India. Okay, the similar events which happened in the month of April and May 2025. So considering all these positions, it is good to stay away from the markets for some time if you are someone who is able to stay quiet, or is with a very small amount of budget. But if people is someone who can average stock and then can manage for next 4-5 months, then it's good. So this was my predictions for Diwali Muhurat trading. I think I have covered to good amount of sectors. For other sectors and all, I don't recommend at all, because considering the way the situation is, it will all of a sudden turn, I'll tell you, without much expectation, because of some communication, some news, some rumor, or some misinterpreted information, or some new rules and regulation. Everything will go on the toss in the month of November, because Mercury is karak of information, media, news, everything. So when Mercury turns retrograde, and not just he turns retrograde, but he also changes the sign. So that's why I'm insisting so much that be careful. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video, and yeah, I have put the charts also for your reference to show how the Diwali Muhurat trading Muhurat is. So it represents Makar Lagna, and with so many planets in the 10th house and Guru in the 7th house. So it shows it's kind of auspicious environment, everything fine. But 8th house has Ketu and 2nd house has Rahu. So I'm not positive with this placement, because any malefic connection to the 2nd house, 8th house is always a problem, because they'll not let you be wealthy. They can drown you to be even like a pauper also. So I don't suggest it. And also with having so many planets in the 10th house, like Mars, Mercury, so close, and that's good. It's in Vishaka Nakshatra, so it's good, but Venus debilitated in 9th house. The mood also doesn't seem to be good right now, but Jupiter's aspect and Jupiter's strong presence in the Kendra actually will drive the market, or everything will seem to be well. But once Jupiter turns Vakri, that's when there will be a free fall. So this is the analysis of the Muhurta Lagna also, which I have taken at 1:45 p.m. in Mumbai, Maharashtra, 21st October 2025, today's date. That's after 4 hours is what we are having this Shubh Muhurat trading. So that's it for the day, and thank you so much, and happy Deepavali again.